Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be starting some cola seeds, and this video is actually brought to you by Judy. Judy, thank you for motivating me to not go binge watch Netflix and to get up and get my seeds started because spring is right around the corner. So today I'm going to start chocolate mint colas and pineapple surprise colas, and these were part of the order from Burpee. I am looking forward to having more colas in the garden. They are a good filler plant for a pot, and then like when planted in ground and given tons of sun, their colors just explode. So I love having them, I love using them, and this year I actually want to have enough to plant in ground as well as in pots. So hence I'm going to sow this cola tray with these two types of colas, and then I'm actually, if I need to, I will probably grab more from the store of different varieties. Colas come in so many different colors and shades and leaf types, so there is a lot to choose from out there. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get started planting these. These come in, the seeds are pelleted, and I think they're in some kind of little pack. So let's see what that looks like. So this is the chocolate mint. Ooh, okay. So it comes in this little guy here. So this is what it looks like. And there are 25 seeds in each one. So I had to run and grab a few more things. I'm actually going to do another set of seeds. It's going to be these Dahlia Pom Pom mix. Growing Dahlia from seed is so easy. I highly recommend you do that. Growing it from a tuber is easy, but this, super easy. Don't be intimidated by growing dahlias from seeds. Like they bloom and they're just beautiful, and you can collect seed from them and regrow them every year. It's so fun. I have some seeds from the dahlias that I grew from seed last year, and it's just, I cannot wait because I'm going to be growing tons of dahlias, tons of zinnias, all of these colases, some gomphrena. Like those are things that are upcoming. Hopefully we'll get those, like in the next few weeks, we'll have all of those flower seeds started. But anyway, let's go ahead. I got my name tags and my little pin. And now we're going to get started with the chocolate mint cola seeds. So here's my colas that I overwintered from last year. This started off as multiple cuttings put into water. They rooted up really quickly. Once they were rooted, I potted them up, and they've been growing so well. I have a second pot of colas cuttings that is not doing as good as this. But that's what's wonderful about the colas, is that they're so easy to root. You can root a ton of cuttings. If some don't make it, that's fine. You still have some left. The cuttings towards the bottom still have some color on them. The other cuttings have lost their color, but once summer hits and they're back out into that natural sunlight, they will burst into brilliant color, and I cannot wait to see that. That's one of the things that I love so much about colas, is the colors that they can take on, or that they have, and it is just so beautiful to see. I will highly encourage you, if you see colas in the garden centers or you want to start your own seeds, that you do that, because they are such an easy annual to take care of, and then they winter over as a very easy care house plant. So back to seed starting. So let's start with chocolate colas, chocolate mint. Alright, you guys, all of the seeds are planted. We've got chocolate mint colas, colas pineapple, and Daya pompon. They are watered in. I'm bottom watering so that I don't disturb the seed placement in the trays. And hopefully they will wake up within 7 to 14 days. I've been having good luck with my seedlings and they've been waking up in under 7 days. So that's what I'm hoping for here. They're going to go under the grow lights on my seed starting station. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted you guys to know. I can't remember. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. I also have a blog page now, which has got a lot of houseplant posts and some gardening posts. I plan to do a lot more gardening posts coming up here in the future, but there's a lot of stuff on there right now, and it's at thethrifteddplanter.org, O-R-G. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video.